Hello guys, welcome to ProRider Vlogs. In today's video I'll be showing you a complete ride after installation of the clamps, which is the ADV style clamps for the Dominar. So many of the viewers have requested, many of the buyers have also requested me to put up a video and show how the stability of this holder is, of the clamp is basically, and whether these clamps can also hold up in potholes as well as in uneven roads. So I'll be just riding the bike today and I'll be showing you up. So the first video will come up for the first type 1 clamp, which is for the X grip one, and it will be followed up by the Bobo clamp. So this video has been merged and made, so keep watching, and for your feedbacks and comments, share it in our comment section below. Thank you. So guys, as you have seen that the stability is quite good, and I have installed RAM mount, but people who are using the X grip type holders, which are of some 500 to 600 rupees or even less, so just make sure that holder has been fitted properly with the proper the stem has been properly tightened, and that is the main important part, because if that is not tightened enough, then your phone holder will wobble with the phone because of the weight of the phone. So just make sure, and as well as you have to make sure that the phone, how you are mounting it, because the position as you set it, based on that also it depends, like your phone weight, if it is going forward to the mobile holder, and if the clamp position is back, so nothing will happen from the clamp, but a wobbling part you see right in the mobile, so that is coming from the mobile holder and not from the clamp. If you wish to have these clamps, you can order it from Pop Shop app. So in Pop Shop app we are there, and you can just find out by typing at Motoden. So under Motoden you will find out both the clamps in sale, so you can apply the code for 15% off, as well as it will be a free shipping. And also we are providing returning for the product for any defect or any issues. So for installation also you can ping me and you can ask me for any help if needed, because in case if you are not able to install it, I can help you in installation, or I can send a number of my friend who can help you on installation of this. So we have tried and tested these clamps using most of the visors which are available right now in market. Either it is from HyperRider, or it is from Autolog, or the famous Carbon Racing, or LLUVIA. So JB Racing, LLUVIA, whatever it will be, so the clamps are getting easily fitted, and even you can position the mobile holder easily. So it doesn't make any difference if you are having a different style of visor, because the gap which you are seeing in the front will be somewhat similar, or it won't harm, because that much of space you get where you can mount the mobile properly and you can use it while riding. So I think it is one of the best option to mount the mobile, and you can free the handlebar and you can ride easily, and you can see the dashboard as well as the mobile, and the reach of the mobile is also not much far, and you can actually see the road, and you can also see the mobile, and you can keep a focus more on the road. So the concern behind this ADB styling is also on the road safety, because we have often seen like some people who are actually seeing the mobile, right? So maybe during sunlight or maybe during rain, it is sometimes very difficult for them to see, because of in sunlight you cannot see the mobile screen due to the sun brightness, and due to in rainy condition also it will be very difficult sometimes to see due to the fog which place if we are having a covered one. So all these things matters, and if you are placing there, so it will be protected from the windshield from the direct sunlight to the mobile screen, as well as the raindrops which are falling up on the mobile screen. So the visibility enhancement will be 100% sure, as well as you can ride the bike freely without touching the mobile every time to see or adjust anything. So this is one of the biggest achievement I think we have made with these Motoden clamps. So if you have any more feedbacks to be given for the Dominar or for any other bike, you can please suggest us. We are ready to take it, and we are ready to help as much we can. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So the next video will come for the Bobo mount, as well as the installation of the Bobo mounting clamps in the Dominar. So please watch that video, part of the video, and after that we are having one more product with us, which is the freestyle crash guards, which is a basic crash guard which will be for the Dominar, and it is just an enhancement, or we can say the upgrade to the stock crash guards. So you can see the video and you will get to understand why and what is the usage of this crash guard. So thank you for watching this video. We'll come back soon with the next video.